Hello traders, this is Mike Hamilton. I'm going to keep this analysis very, very short as I'm saving the most important elements of my preparation to Traders Roundtable. And at the moment we have a Dow which is under the 55, but S&P's holding the daily 55 and the Nasdaq actually holding the daily 21. So we've not got a sell signal, although we are looking increasingly like a distribution pattern. We're seeing low volumes. It's that time of the year. We're struggling up here. The volumes are low, so we could see the Nasdaq follow the Dow. The DAX on Friday really fell through a major support pivot, and that one now looks as if we could find our way right the way down to 11,000. We've got to get the Greek decision out of the way. It's a very important data week, but hanging over the markets is what's happening to Greece. And Greece's deadline is Friday for a big tranche of repayments to the IMF. So I will be monitoring what's happening throughout the day and the days as that unfolds and we get closer. Busy week with rate decisions on the euro and the pound. Non-farm payroll on Friday, so a big day for US jobs and a variety of other data. We start the week with Chinese manufacturing, so even in the early part of the week we could get an indication of the mood of the markets. Okay, so the main questions in my head are, is the dollar got further to go, and can the euro hold up? So let's look at the dollar first. This is the US dollar CAD. To me, this is topping out, and we are coming into an area of resistance. And if I fib just this area alone, this last range, you can see we are at the top of the fib zone. So I think I would be prepared to short 125 to see if this can pop down. So I'm expecting to see some CAD strength, and let's turn our attention to the euro. This euro had a really good week. I tried shorting this on Friday and I actually made money out of it, but only by shorting very small moves, because it just wouldn't roll over. So the euro looks as if we could at the very least retest 110, at which point we're going to see if that's got the potency to poke its way through. If news comes out on the Greek issue and the markets like it, doesn't matter what it is, but if the markets like it, that could look as if it could go actually right the way up to like daily 200. So expect the unexpected. Let's just see what this euro can do. But if you look at the wave count, we had 1, 2, 3. It's potentially just an A wave correction, which has found some support, and we're getting a B wave pushing up into this area here. So that's why I'm potentially looking for the US dollar CAD to come down and the euro to potentially survive. Now let's have a look at the pound, because the pound has been a strong currency. So this is finding a base as well. And the way in which the 255 is closing with the 21 EMA just dropping over suggests that perhaps if we can pull back down to 152, we may be able to find some support and then start to push back to the upside. Okay, so I'm actually going to leave it there. After I just looked at oil, I had an alarm set on oil. It was just literally a few pips under the low, so my alarm didn't go off and I missed a potential 200-point move. But with this pushing up, that brings my attention to about 3 sectors in the stock market that I'm going to get very, very interested in on the base of what I'm seeing here. More on that at Traders Roundtable. If you want a free trial, let me know. I enjoy what's left of your weekend. I can see there's a full moon outside my office window, so can see a potentially bright night. Thanks for listening, and look forward to trading with you during the week. I will only be looking at the UK market at 5 o'clock Monday afternoon. Okay, I'm going to get on a lot of work during Monday, but as we've got a busy week ahead, there's a lot to be doing in the Tuesday to Friday morning sessions, so I will not be around until 5 o'clock on Monday in the trade room. Hope that helps, and take care.